This is the factory-fitted hydraulic wrist for the 135 model. It comes pre-connected from the factory, so it is non-detachable by design. This one here is the E400 wrist. You can see directly that it is about the same size as my fist, while the Hitachi 135 wrist looks much smaller in comparison. The E400 features extremely solid build quality with highly defined details throughout. It uses magnetic contact points for connection. This mechanism stretches and retracts to lock, release, and secure the attachment. To connect it, simply slot the pin into position. The magnetic contracts will then align automatically. Once locked, the connection is extremely firm. You will notice the response is very sensitive and precise. The clamp opening range is quite large, big enough to fit my entire fist. Its size tilting and the rotation functions are also highly responsive. And it supports full 330-degree rotation. The electrical contact points at the bottom also allow you to install and expand more additional attachments in the future.